I bet you're also that person who spends several hours on your phone every day. Maybe you like to check your news feed on your social media accounts, or you like to read articles or watch TikTok videos. Am I right? What if I told you you could invest that time you spend on clicking stuff and wasting your time to actually clicking buttons and making real money? Stop everything else you are doing at the moment and listen up, as in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you will start earning money just by pressing buttons. Yes, that's right. You just need to click on buttons, and during that time you make money. And instead of spending your time on other stuff like social media, you will be using it wisely. Also, it doesn't matter which country you're from, as this simple money-making strategy is available worldwide. When being specific, then it is currently available in more than 200 countries and supports 25 currencies. And the best part is that you don't need to invest any of your money, as it's 100% free. And you don't need to worry about needing any skills or experiences for this method, as any of that isn't required at all. After I finish teaching you the strategy, then you can start with it right away. Make sure to watch this video until the end and don't skip any parts, as I will be sharing bonus tips with you, as on how you will be able to triple your earnings. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay then, let's not waste any time. Go to your browser and search for ENROLLapp.com. Once you're on the website, you can see that it looks very cool and simple. I really love their quote here: "Let's make the web a better place." And by the way, you don't need to worry, as your personal information is safe with them. They won't be using it or sharing it with others. Now, you might be wondering what ENROLL is all about and how you can make money with it. ENROLL is a new trending website where you will get paid for completing easy tests. Each paid test you complete will reward you with a 10-cent bounty. The tests themselves take anywhere between 30 to 45 seconds to complete usually. Payout cycles happen once a month to the PayPal account of your choice. So this means you do need a PayPal account to receive your money. You can create the free PayPal account when going to paypal.com, but if you already have one, then you're all good. To get started, you need to create yourself a free ENROLL account. You can do that by clicking here where it says Register. After clicking it, you'll need to fill in your email address here. I'll just fill in mine. And create the password. And make sure to confirm their privacy policy and terms of service. When you have filled in everything, then just click on Enroll Now. After that, you will receive a confirmation email from ENROLL. Make sure to confirm your email address, then your account will be active and you can log in. When you have finished signing up, then you can log into your brand new account. This is how the dashboard looks like. And here you can actually see your mission progress. My progress is currently 0%, as it's totally new account. But after finishing its mission, you'll see how the little counter here will start moving from left to right. And once you have completed more projects and missions, then you'll continue to progress and get extra cash prices and even bonus money. I would recommend this website to anyone who hasn't got any experience on how to make money online, as this is beginner-friendly and so easy. Now, here on the dashboard, you could see how many poll questions has been answered, and here you would need to start answering to them. You just need to give yes or no answers. Let's say you will answer yes. Then next you'll see how much did you stack up. It will just show the statistic of the service and percentage of those that click on yes or no. After that, you can just click on continue and answer to the next question. And then your polls located at the upper left corner will eventually go from 0 to 35, depending on the polls you answered. So keep in mind, the more polls you answer, the more money you will be able to make. You will also be earning bonus money from here. Given the demographics you have, the website will make it easier for you to get more missions that are based on your interest. And that way you will have the higher chance to earn even more money. I now want to share a tip on how you can earn even more money with this website. You click on the achievements, that's on the top left in here. And on this page here, you will be able to see your progress. As you can see here, I managed to earn one patch just by simply answering to a few polls. This will be my first mission, as it says, "Welcome to Mission 1. Earth. All you need to do here is to just follow the instructions and take the tests and answer to the poll questions. Also, you need to be active. This means you need to log into your account every day so that you could earn extra points. Once you have done this 30 days in a row, then you have simply finished your mission number 1. And if you repeat the same thing, or if you keep doing more posts, then you will be moving from left to right and you will see all the badges that you've earned. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. If you want to even triple your earnings on this site, then pay close attention as I'm about to share a new tip with you. Just click on the arrow here, that's near to your profile, and then just click on the test preferences. Then you'll be taken to this next page where you'll see the test preferences. And here, where you can see all the devices that you want to test on, make sure that they are all selected. Because the more devices that you choose, then the more tasks you can do and more polls you can answer. And this means only that the more money you will make. When looking over at the testing availability over here, make sure you have chosen the first option here. Send me the tests as soon as possible. This means that you will receive more tests inside your account. Also, make sure to have this notification on. Send me an email when I qualify for a test. And if you want, you can also add your phone number to your profile. Then you'll receive a text right after a new test is available for you. It all looks so easy to do, right? And if you'd like to earn more, then all you need to do is just do this all over and repeat as many times as you want. Make sure to just focus on your progress and finish each mission. By doing that, you'll get more and more points. While earning more badges, you'll see your progress growing from 0 to 100 and above that. Just be consistent and patient, and enjoy the whole process. Thank you for watching, and that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.